Hi and welcome to Indras Academy. In today's video, we will walk you through the process of removing a pixel from the ads manager with a simple, clear steps. Let's get started. So first, log into business.facebook.com. After that, go to tools and click on events manager. From the right side, drop down, choose your ads manager account. Just click on that. And in the left side, if you click on data sources, and you can see that I have created three pixels, three data sets. If you want to remove these data sets, pixels, so you need to go to your business account, Meta Business Shoot, and click on the settings, and then scroll down, and you will see one option, data sources. Just click on that and click on this pixel. So actually, previously we used to remove the pixel from this pixel tab, but now they have moved. You can see, you can read, we have made some changes to our platform. You can now locate this asset in the data set section within the data sources menu. So it means you have to go to left side data sets, and here you can see all your data sets, right? So you can see jobs to youth pixel, this is the one, right? You see here jobs to youth pixel and pixel 2. So this is the one, right? Just select that and go to connected assets. So you can see this pixel, this data set connected to jobs to youth ads manager account. So simply click on this, disconnect and confirm. All right. Okay, so I have removed the one pixel. Let me go to the second one. Let me find it on me. Yeah, here it is. Right, let's go to connected assets, and you can see it is jobs to youth ads manager account is connected. Let's disconnect. All right, two I have completed, and there's one more also, registrations. Let's go back and find, here it is, registration. Just click on that and go to connected assets. You can see the ad account, which is jobs to youth, connected. Disconnect, confirm. All right, so now all these three I have disconnected. Let me refresh. So now you can see, so we don't have any data sources, no pixels, right? No data sources. So this is how you can remove the pixels from your ads manager account. So thank you for watching this video. So if you wanted to get update like this, please do subscribe our Indras Academy's YouTube channel. Thank you.